welcome back to the Chisholm Collision. Today I'm joined here with my brother, John.
Hi.
And we're doing a blindfolded slime challenge. Let's go. I need to grab...
Yeah, fun.
I'm not sure if this is enough. Okay.
Where? The where? Huh?
Okay, so let's see here.
Can I have the Where is the? What's the shaving cream? Shaving cream. How do you use this?
Let's see. I think I need a bit more glue.
How do you use this?
There we go.
I'll say that's how you use it.
Wow, this isn't as hard as I thought.
The glue. I'm gonna regret this.
John, are you peeking? I feel like you're peeking.
No. This is my bowl, right? Feel like I got that.
I think that's right. Yeah.
Now, where is the boraxy water?
Yeah, that's my spoon. That's there.
Can I take the blindfold off, please?
No.
I like being
A
able to-
blindfolded slime challenge.
I can't see if I got any glue anywhere.
Yep, you're fine. You're fine, John. Start stirring.
I think I might need a bit more glue.
I need a spoon.
That is broken.
Other hand.
Call!
Spatula.
Call! I think this is going to turn out really nice.
Why do I feel like it's not?
Oh,
It's looking.
maybe less stirring.
Dun, dun, dun. Wow, this feels really cool. John, did you just leak? You might need a bit more glue.
Mm-hmm.
I'll grab some for you.
Yeah. There you go, John.
Is that near your bowl?
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, I think that's near your bowl. I think you should probably use a bit more glue. I don't see it, but I feel like since it's all wet everywhere, you should use some more.
I have shaving cream on my hand.
Yeah, you should definitely use more glue.
It doesn't feel good.
John, glue.
Never.
You're such a noob at making slime.
I think I did it. It's slimy. It's slimy and disgusting. Sticky, shaving creamy and gluey.
I feel like you're gonna need a bit more glue, John. There.
You're watching this, aren't you?
No,
You
I'm not.
have your blindfold off.
No, I don't.
And how do you know that I need more glue?
Because it sounds weird. Let's see. Oh, that feels nice. Oh, I need a bit more.
Okay.
It kind of just feels like shaving cream.
Wait, Heather.
Hmm?
I have one question.
Yeah.
Why did I agree to do this?
Because you did. Okay.
I I never agreed to do this. Why?
Oh, that feels nice. Here we go. Wow, it feels like it's falling apart. John, are you mixing with your hands?
Yes.
Why?
Because I can't find the spatula.
Just feel around for it.
No, that's shaving cream.
Would you like
Oh.
a hand?
I think I might need clean hands after this. No.
Oh, wow. That sounds amazing. I'm not sure what it looks like, though. John, are you done yet?
No. Are you done?
Yes.
What does it look like?
Well, I have my blindfold on. I don't know.
Well, you're done, so you should be able to take it off.
No, I'm not allowed to, because then I might cheat.
I'm pretty sure Dad can tell you if you're cheating. The cameraman will tell you. I'll take your blindfold off and tell me how this looks.
I'm not even sure how it looks. I'm not allowed to. Look, because it's a blindfolded slime challenge.
No, I don't like. Yeah, like that slime is bad. This is freakishly sticky.
Okay, John, you think you're done yet?
Does it being so sticky that it still feels like glue count?
No. Did you even add any activator?
Yes, I added it all, but I didn't mix it in.
John, I think that sounds about right.
This just sounds so bad.
Okay,
Okay.
let's do the big reveal. Everyone take off your blindfold.
Can I have a towel?
After, take off your blindfold. And 3,
It's tied to me.
take off your blind. Take off your blindfold and 3, a 2, and a 1. Oh wow! I love it. So
I thought you were
cool.
supposed to be the messy one.
So fluffy and nice and colorful.
How? Oh.
Look at the amount of activator.
Who poured it in, like?
Yeah, John, I don't. With this activator, you're actually supposed to pour it in bit by bit.
I poured it all in at once.
Well,
I've got a lot of candy.
let's see the upsides of your slime. Mine's stretchy, still cracks, but it's really fun to play with. You can put your little
Mine's
fingers
gluey.
through it. Feels like guts. Well, that's it for today. Hope you liked it.
I regret this.
See you all next time. Good.
Please save me. I regret this.